So this is a Canon EG-E1. Let's unbox it to see exactly what it is. It comes with a very simple packaging and it's very minimalistic, and considering the price that you're getting this, I think this is just something else. This helps you to extend body of your camera, especially camera bodies like the Canon R8 and the Canon R8. So these are smaller bodies, and you can see that the design over here is very simple and very nice. And I went for the red and black combo because there are a lot of colors there, and this is a Canon R8. So the first thing to do when you come to the installation is that you look at the battery side, and it has this kind of two pins over there that you can pull and remove it, and that means that you're going to extend the bottom part of the Canon R8. You see, you have this kind of pin over there, which is the quarter thread over there. Position it rightly to it so that it can fit into the position well. That will enable you to tighten it up using this kind of thumb screw over here to be able to tighten. And once it's tightened up, it is perfectly for it to go. So it extends the body of the Canon R8 in such a way that it gives it extra layer and makes it much more bigger in terms of the size, and helps your bottom finger to be able to properly hold and grip it in such a way that you will like it. I think this is a really clever, interesting way. I like the Canon R8's body, which is very small and compact, but you can see that with this, it gives it a different kind of layer. It also gives it a different kind of protection in terms of the bottom part. Now when you open it, it's easier to access the battery, and then you can insert your battery inside without having any issues or any kind of problems. It's very simple, very smart, simple and precise, giving the Canon R8 a simple kind of design, but also making it more comfortable to grip, especially with a right hand grip. So for me, I think that even though it is a bit expensive in terms of it just being plastic and the design is not anything substantial, but then it's giving you some of the grip and extension grip that you can have. So you use a lens that is a bit heavier than the Canon R8. Extending this kind of grip with this bottom part makes it to be able to have bigger lenses like the Canon RF 24-105 that I have over here. Now putting it on this makes it very unique and gives it this bit of aesthetical dimension and unique positioning. It helps you to be able to grip this kind of camera without having any issues with it. So this is a very simple setup that I have with the Canon EG-E1 grip for the Canon R8.